JEE Mains first attempt in January, we had 326 students above 99 percentile. And at that time, all the faculty members over here had promised this number is going to increase. And we have crossed the mark of 400 number above 99 percentile. Kudos to all of you, all the parents, all the kids over here, and all the faculty members over here for their hard work.
Believing in Alan that we can handhold your child to a different peak of success. And yes, as of now, peak has not been attained. We are just in the middle way. Target is JEE Advanced. And I wish all of you, on behalf of Mahesh sir, a best of luck for your JEE Advanced.
Alan Indiranagar Center has maintained our trust in terms of the quality of the teaching and the support of the teachers. Really want to thank all the faculty of Indiranagar campus.
It has been a very good journey for last 2 years and a lot of hard work from Ashwab and a fantastic effort from Alan. Thank you so much.
One small little thing that I have to say is Alan has played a major role in making this process smooth and stress-free for the kids. And thanks to all the teachers.
Thanks to Alan for all the support and bringing him so far.
Like to thank team of Alan, all the staff members, teachers for producing such brilliant students.
He has been shaped phenomenally well by Alan, so I thank all of you at Jayanagar and at Alan.
Heartfully thank all the teachers for their constant guidance and support to make this possible.
Sincere thanks to Alan for all the help, and he has done well only because of your guidance and coaching. We are so proud of him.
So thank you very much, Alan and the entire team, to keep up the motivation and the excitement for the last 2-3 years. And all the best to all the kids.
The entire credit goes to Alan team and teachers. Alan proud and their parents proud.
We are very thankful to Alan. Actually, whatever we have chosen, it's on the right path. We are very thankful to the teachers. They have given a very good training to all the students.
I like to thank all Alan teachers also who supported all the kids and even Ruchir. I'm really proud of my son.
I really want to thank Alan. And Surya's journey with Alan is from last 5 years, and I want to thank all the teachers and mentors to guide him.
It has been really a wonderful journey. So since 9th grade he was involved in Alan and disciplined coaching, and I hope the same momentum continues till JEE Advanced.